Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about my new favorite super cute headbands. For starters, this headband is so soft, it feels just like a teddy bear. And I absolutely love the cheetah print, I think it's super cute. What's also great is that the headband is so stretchy, so there's no worry about it being too tight around your head or around your ears. And it comes with the cutest little bow on top. And this headband has so many uses. I love to use it for when I'm doing my skincare because it makes sure that none of the product transfers onto my hair or onto the sides of my face, which is something that I love. This headband is also great for keeping your hair out of your face when you're doing your makeup. It always happens to me where my hair will get stuck on like a brush that I'm using or something like that, so this way you avoid it. All in all, I do think that this headband is super practical and it has so many uses, and it can become a staple for just about anyone. I honestly love this headband. I use it for so many different things on a daily basis, and I would recommend it to anyone, but that's just my point of view.